How to remove Unlink WhatsApp from Instagram bio, disconnect 2026. Want to remove your WhatsApp link from your Instagram bio? Here's the quickest and safest way to do it. Step 1. Open Instagram and edit profile. Open the Instagram app, go to your profile, tap Edit Profile. Step 2. Remove WhatsApp link. Scroll down to Bio. Tap on External Link. Here you will see your WhatsApp link. Remove the link completely. Tap Save. Step 3. Confirm changes. Go back to your profile. Refresh your page. The WhatsApp link will no longer appear in your bio. Quick tips. This only removes the link from your bio. It does not delete your WhatsApp account. You can add a new link anytime by repeating the same steps. Quick summary: Instagram profile, edit profile, external link, remove WhatsApp, save, done. That's it. Your WhatsApp is now unlinked from your Instagram bio in seconds.